Welcome to EJ Bits. Non-stick knife set and the Hobo 5-piece stainless steel premium knife set. So yung non-stick knife set natin will go for 399 pesos on Shopee and Lazada, and the premium knife set will go for 599 pesos. So let's unbox the premium knife set. Yung premium knife sets natin, it's nice and heavy, it's premium, and it's hollow in the inside para hindi ganun kabigat. And it's very sharp, it's very good. It will include your bread knife, chef knife, Santoku knife, utility knife, and paring knife. So ayan siya. It's very thin and it's very solid. The build quality is very nice and packaging is also nice. Again, this doesn't come with a stand. This one is the non-stick knife set. It includes a peeler. Yung handle niya, it's soft touch. It has a wood design, and your non-stick knife part is made out of non-stick material, so it won't, stick to anything. So let's test the cutting ability. So for the stainless knife, it's very good. It's very sharp. Nasugatan ko yung sarili ko, so please be very careful. And you can really get thin slices if you want. Very effective. And I do like the soft touch material of the handle of the non-stick. For the price of 399, the handle is very premium and it doesn't come off so far. And may peeler din siya. Peeler's alright. Hindi ako marunong mag-peel. Very sorry. This is the stainless chef knife, and it's my favorite knife. It's very nice and easy to cut. This one is the chef knife of the non-stick variant. It's also very good. So they are both very sharp and doing tasks like chopping and slicing, mincing. They do a really good job. This is your Santoku knife. So it's a knife in Japan, and the quality is really nice. And it doesn't stick to the knife since it has the ridges dun sa side. This one is your carving knife. Carving knife is usually used for meat, but you can use it. This one is the back to the chef knife. Ayan, so there you go. I'm not the best slicer person. This is your non-stick. I'm using it to trim the fat of your meat. It's really effective in its job. You just let the knife do the work. And for slicing the meat, I would prefer the stainless steel. Both do the slicing really good for meat. For this one, you can always use the carving knife of your non-stick variant. Very smooth cuts, very nice. Nasugatan nga yung cutting board. Ayun, nasugatan yung chopping board. It's that effective. So my favorite knife is, again, the chef knife. It's very versatile and it has a pointed tip, really good for cutting your chicken, removing the fat from your meat. And also, my favorite is also the chef knife from the non-stick version. and it's very nice. And both of them are very, very good. Please check the link down below. You can buy it all from EVERWEALTH Philippines in Shopee and Lazada. They have a 100% service rating, 100% ship on time. The ratings are just, all 100%. And really good quality knives. For the price, it's very cheap, but it feels very premium. So I really do recommend. And this knife set will be featured in our next cooking videos. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Ryan Little.